Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a nice swipe, and I think I still want to mess with it because I've been playing with the idea of using some Mead white, black? Wow, that was trippy. But speaking of white, let's grab a little bit of Anita's White Metallic and put it right in there. And I'm going to put a bunch of other colors in there. And I think gold is definitely on the agenda. And then I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use my dots of color. And hopefully they'll show up. I kind of think they should be down a little further. So I'm going to do that right now. And maybe I should just try one. I want a more round swipe card. And I'm pretty sure I have one here somewhere. I should have had it already. I'm sorry about that. I've got everything else. We'll use this. This will work. So let's go. I'll move my paints out of the way. And maybe I'll just keep going right like that. And if I want more colors on this side, I'll just have to add them. Seems like I need more colors though. I'm losing all of my pink. A little bit is showing up right there. Maybe I'll go in from the other side. That might be a really good idea. I like the sound of that idea. So let's just do that right now. Let's do it all the way around that edge. And maybe it's a good idea to grab a small dish, maybe a small dish like this dish, and put some of that black right in there. I'm nervous. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that a bit. Pick up a little more. I'm looking for a wow factor. And that seems fairly wow to me. But I definitely like that pink at the bottom. I could use a little orange. Maybe I'll just get rid of that pink right in there by using the edge of my card. I don't mind the other stuff showing through for sure. That's not bothering me. I don't even think I need to do anything to my edges. But I definitely want a whole bunch more of that pink. And I'm not sure I'm going to get to keep it. But I'm more than willing to experiment with trying. Now, as much as I love that gold, I'm going to put a little more black in. Because I don't really want to pull. Those marks on the other side are making me happy. I like them. So the question for me is, do I want to do something similar on this other side? And I kind of do. I'm going to try the orange. Boy, I want to put some gold in there. You know what? I'm just going to mix some of this Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold that has a little bit of orange tint to it in there. I want a much smaller swipe card too. Or maybe a spatula. Why don't we try spatula with just a little bit of that black on it. I can always go back with a card if I don't like what I get. I may wind up running spatula right up through there. Up or down, sort of like flames, a little bit. I kind of want to see what's going to happen if I do that too. There, I actually really like that. And if there are any adjustments I want to make, I should do them right now. I think I'm very happy with the change. I could definitely put a little gold at the bottom, and I think I might do that if I could lay my hands on it. It was here a second ago. There it is. I'd really like to tip this. And the bottom, what I'm calling the bottom is your top, and it might become the opposite. Now I've got a little tiny swipe card. I want a rounded end really bad. Just taking the residuals from each swipe and sort of dabbing it in between. Spread the gold around, spread the love around. So there's over 92,000, going on 93,000 subscribers, and if you're new, please be welcomed. I'm glad you're here. And if you've been here for a while, thank you. Really appreciate you still being here. There's over 1,800 videos and going on 1,900 videos on my playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Why do I always want to add marks? Do I really? Maybe I really don't. But I really like that black. More than I like that white. I don't mind a little bit of it, the white, but I like the black better. And I don't mind making a mark that heads in the other direction. I do kind of want to keep playing with this stuff for another minute. I could use a balloon. Whoa! I could use a balloon roll. I like those round shapes more than I imagined I would. And I hope I still will in a minute. I've got a little bit of black, and I think I'm going to put it right there, just to lead the eye around. Boy, I just want to play. This is my Venetian blue that's not coming out. And being that that's the Mead Black, it really should not sink. I'm so not done playing yet. I used to have a little tiny swipe card stuck to a skewer. Does not seem to be here right now, but I do have a palette knife, although I might be sorry. Yeah, I think that's not right. I think I'm just going to mix them up, but I still want some turquoise in there. This is fun. I like using already dry canvases that were good but weren't great, and adding some drama. It just sort of struck me that they remind me of the Star Trek A's. Still experimenting. Can't seem to stop myself. I want to call this rose gold, but it's more orange gold than anything. Yeah, I'm just following my whims at this point. Which includes adding a little bit of black backs because some of it disappeared, and I really liked it. I'm not sure about that metal at all, but it's gone to another level. Whatever it is, it's different than it was. So I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell saying check the end screen video for the exhibition video that will share with you the prizes for the month. The monthly drawing that's at the end of the month. There, I like that a little better. I don't know why that made a difference for me. Maybe just making it more organic helped. I'm going to be moving on to something else in a minute. I love the colors. I got no problem with the colors at all. So what should I tell you guys? There's almost 1,900 videos organized on playlists of 100 and also by topic and genre. If you shop my Amazon link, it's under the link tree, which is directly under the video. It's at no added cost to you, and it helps me buy art supplies. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for your wonderful comments that help keep me painting all this time. And thank you for all your donations that help keep me painting all this time. There are some pretty cells in there, but they're mostly on the ends over here, I think. Yeah, beautiful cells. It's a different composition, but I kind of like it, and it's growing on me. So, I want to thank you guys again, and I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, don't forget my Teespring clothing under the video is Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. On the link tree, find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a Shop Now button that'll take you to pixels.com and Find Out America. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums where I put the edited YouTube video artworks. I love you guys. Please like my video, give me a thumbs up, share, watch longer, and watch for the notifications come out. And don't forget, my email address is the good way to contact me. Should you use the hashtag and the file number in the title of any video, you can inquire about a purchase or a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. They're one-on-one, and I'll fill you in if you email me. I'll see you anon, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. I post at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. Bye for now. Priscilla out.